What's up, guys? Welcome back to another part of the double angles, half angles identity playlist. On this video, we'll be solving a problem using the applications of double angle or half angle. But on this one, we're gonna use half double angles to solve this following problem. So I'm gonna write it down, and after writing it down, you should pause and try to solve it. Then you can continue, and as you solve it, you will see how I managed to solve it. Probably you will get it as well. So the problem that I have is as follows. So we must solve this problem without using a calculator. So it goes like this: sine 37,5 multiplied by cos 37,5. All right. So this is the problem that we must solve. Right, when you look at this problem here, guys, you can see that this is a double angle. If you know your double angles, let me write it here. We have sine 2x, and then when you write it, it's gonna be cos sine x sine x. Right, look at this side here. Look at this side here. We have, even though we have 2, but we do have cos x multiplied by sine x. When you look at the one that we are solving here, we do have sine same angle, which is 37.5 multiplied by cos with the same angle. What is missing here is 2. So how can we write this in a way that we take it back to this one? So how can we write it? So the best way, you have to manipulate it, guys. You have to manipulate it, meaning we have to divide this by 2. If we divide this by 2, do you guys see what's happening? If you divide by 2 here, so you're gonna have half multiplied by sine 2x, which is gonna be cos x multiplied by sine x. Okay, let's look at it again. Let's look at this side. As you can see, this side now we only have cos x multiplied by sine x, which is equaling to half sine 2x. Now look at this side again. Let's look at this side again. If you look at this side, you can see that we only have sine angle multiplied by cos same angle. So meaning, if we can say half sine 2, because we can also say this, we can say in this case we can say x is equal to, let me just like we can say x is equal to 3/7 half. So if you rewrite this, we can write this sine x multiplied by cos x, which is the same as this problem here. Do you guys see? It's the same. So we can say this is the same as half sine 2x. So let's rewrite it. So we can rewrite it like this: half, and then we say sine 2x. Do not forget what 2x stands for. So you can substitute this x. Now if you continue and we substitute the x, we now have sine, and then instead of, we can say 2 multiplied by 37,5. Now if you continue, this is gonna be sine, what is 37,5 multiplied by 2 is gonna be 75. Now that we have this, we can use our double angles. Remember, we can use double angles to calculate this. So we did a problem similar to this on the we can use compound angles, guys, not double angles. We did the similar problem to this one on the compound angle. So you can go to the compound angle playlist and check that one out. So, but anyway, So here's how you're going to do this one, by the way. So you can say sine is the same as, so how can we separate this using special angles? So we can say sine is the same as 45 plus 30. Remember, these are special angles. These are special. If you say 45 plus 30 is gonna give you 75. So this special angle, if you still remember special angles, all right, special angles, we have let me just write this. We have let's make it 45 here, we have another 45 here, and then no, this is 1, this is 1, this is root 2, and then here, what do we have here? Let's make the one of 60. We have 60 here, and here we have 30, and then we can say this is 1, this is root 3, and that is 2. But let me just fix this 3, it doesn't look so good. This is root 3, and that is 2. Right. So we can use these special angles to solve this using the compound formulas. So again, this compound formulas, I'm just gonna write it here. See, there's a lot now. Now we are applying almost everything that we did on previous videos. So we know that sine A plus or minus, let's put in a bracket, B is the same as sine A multiplied by cos B plus or minus sine B multiplied by cos A. Alright, so this is the formula for compound A. So we have to use it here. Alright, let's continue. Let's continue, guys. Let's continue. We can say half. Alright, half, and then we do that. So we can say sine, in this case, 45 is the same as A. We can say sine 45 multiplied by cos 30, which is the same as B. Since we have a positive sign here, so this is going to be a positive sign as well. And then we can say sine, in this case we can say 30 multiplied by cos 45, and then we continue. So let me just create more space here, guys, more space. So we continue. Alright, so we have our half, so which is gonna be, what is sine 45? Let's just show the special angles. Sine 45, when you look at our triangles there, sine 45 is the same as 1 over root 2 multiplied by, what is cos 30? Cos 30 is the same as root 3 divided by 2. And then since we have a positive sign here, so we can say plus. And then what is our sine 30? Sine 30 is the same as 1 over 2 multiplied by cos 45, which is 1 over root 2. Then we continue. As we continue, still we have half outside here, guys. Do not forget this half. So this, we're gonna have the following. If we say 2 multiplied by root 2 is gonna give us 2 root 2. Same here as well. 2 multiplied by root 2 is also gonna give us 2 root 2. So we're gonna have the same denominators, but here the numerator is gonna be 1 multiplied by root 3. Alright, just continue. Yes, then because we are plusing, 1 multiplied by 1 on the numerator, we have 1. Alright, because we want to rationalize, we multiply by root 2 over root 2. Alright, which is 1. By the way, we multiply by 1. Because we are rationalizing, we want to get rid of root 2 on the denominator. So this is gonna give us root 6 plus root 2 over, if you multiply 2 root 2, 2 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 2, you're gonna have the answer of 4. And then we multiply by half throughout now, so our final answer is gonna be root 6 plus root 2 all over 2 multiplied by 4. This is gonna give us 8. So this is our final answer. Now when you put this on a calculator, I think you're going to get the following answer here. Let me just put it very quickly on a calculator. Let me put it very quickly on a calculator, guys. It's gonna be root 6 plus root 2 over 8, which gives you the following 0, 4, 8, 2, 9, 6, 2, 9, 1, 3, 1. So this is the answer if you leave it in a decimal notation. But the reason why I'm doing this is, if you can decide to take the original formula, this original formula here, and then you decide to put it in a calculator, it's gonna give you the very same answer we got on the final answer. Guys, I hope you understand. If it so happen that you don't understand, please ask on the comment section, and also you can repeat and rewrite and rewatch the part whereby you didn't understand. But hopefully, I'm hoping that you did understand. If it so happen that you like the video or this helped you, do not forget to like it. If you like the video, also subscribe and recommend this to your friends. You can share this video to your friends. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, cheers.